Hello everyone, I am Ashvini Bangar. From third semester MTech Food Technology, I will give my technical seminar presentation on introduction of Six Sigma methodology in the food industry. I will explain how the implementation of Six Sigma methodology work in the food industry, how it will be important for the food industry, and I will explain all the things in my presentation. Content of my presentation is introduction, objective, principles, examples, benefits, statistical tools, case studies, and conclusion. Introduction to Six Sigma in food industry. Why important of the Six Sigma in food industry? This will learn in this presentation. I will start with the introduction. Six Sigma is the data-driven methodology used to eliminate defects and improve quality in processes. In the food industry, Six Sigma focus on ensuring food safety, enhancing product quality, reducing waste, and optimizing efficiency. By utilizing statistical tools and techniques, Six Sigma helps identify and eliminate the variations in production process, leading to consistent and high quality food products. After introduction, I will explain the concept of Lean Six Sigma in the food industry. What is meant by Lean? Lean objective of Lean is focuses on eliminating waste to improve flow and increase the value to the customer. Principle of Lean is there are five core principles of Lean. Value. Define what adds value from the customer's perspective. Value stream. Identify all the steps in the value stream and eliminate the waste. Then flow. Ensure product information flow smoothly across the processes. Then pool. Produce only what is needed to respond to customer demand. Then perfection. Continuously seek to improve all the processes. Then the types of waste. Lean identifies the seven types of waste often remembered by the acronym. This is transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. Then, what is the Six Sigma? Six Sigma objective is Six Sigma focuses on reduction, process variation, and improving process control. Key concept of Six Sigma: it aims to reduce defects to fewer than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, a measure of near perfect process performance. Principle of Six Sigma focuses on the customer requirement, use data and statistical analysis, and improve process and continuous improvement. Then we combine the both Lean plus Six Sigma. Then it is the Lean Six Sigma. Objective of Lean Six Sigma is the combination of Lean's focuses on waste reduction with Six Sigma focuses on reducing the variation. Benefits of Lean Six Sigma: enhance efficiency by speeding up processes while maintaining or improving the quality. There are two cycles used in the Six Sigma. The first is cycle. The core of Six Sigma is the DMAX cycle. The first is define, identify the problem and goal. Measure, collect to data, understand current performance, analyze, find the root cause of defects, improve, implement solution to solve the problem, and then control, maintain the improvement over the time. How it will be worked. Demand cycle. Define what are the customer need, what is the problem or opportunities or improved will be given in the define. Then we measure by using collection of data and establish the baseline for this. Then we analyze, use tools like fishbone diagram to find the root cause, improve, implement and test solution, control. Use control chart to monitor the performance. Six Sigma industry, how it will be works of the max cycle is define the issues such as high defect rates in packaging or spoilage, collect the data on factors like temperature, moisture, production speed, then analyze the machine will be work or not, it is the what is the root cause of this, and then improve, adjust the machine's processes to enhance the quality of product, and control, implement the regular quality check to ensure the ongoing success. Importance of PDCA cycle in the food industry, and the importance of PDCA in the demand cycle in the food industry. PDCA is the plan, do, check, act, a continuous improvement cycle that focuses on incremental improvements. DMAC is the define, measure, analyze, improve, control. The Six Sigma method used for the process improvement. The PDCA is very important. PDCA plays very important role in DMAC. How PDCA will help to the DMAC cycle plan? First of all, plan. Define and measure. In the DMAC cycle, PDCA start with planning, which align with the define and measure phases where problems are identified, data is gathered. Then do. Analyze and improve. PDCA do stage fits the analyze and improve phases of DMAC where root cause are addressed and solution are implemented. Check. Uh, check. Control. The check stage of PDCA correspond to the MAC control phase, ensuring the improvement are sustained and monitored. Act. Continuous cycle. PDCA Act reinforce ongoing refinement and adjustment, promoting long-term success in the DMAC cycle. After DMAC, we will discuss second method, DMADV. What is meant by DMADV? Is define, measure, analysis, design, and verify. Introduction of DMADV and the Six Sigma. The Six Sigma method aims to improve the process performance by reducing variation and defects. The DMADV process, a Six Sigma methodology used to design or redesign new process or product, ensuring they meet customer expectations from the outset. What is the phases of DMADV? The first is define, then measure, analyze, design, and verify. What is the purpose of it? While DMAIC is used for improving existing processes, DMADV focuses on creating new product or processes with high quality from the beginning. What is the difference between DMAC and DMADV? The first is in the DMAC we improve the existing product. In the DMADV focuses on the creating a new product with high quality from the beginning. It is used for the designing a new product or process that hasn't existed before, redesigning an existing process that can't meet the customer need even after improvement attempts, ensuring that a product or service meets Six Sigma quality standard right from the start. Different phases are of this method are define, measure, analysis, design, and verify. What about this is first we learn about define, identify the project goal and customer requirement. Then measure, determine the customer need and specification for the product process. Then analysis, analyze design alternative and select the best solution. Then design, develop the detailed design of the product or project. Verify, the test and verify the design work as intended, meet all the requirements. One example of DMADV used in the food industry. In the food industry project, you might be tasked with designing a new low sugar snack. The define phase would focus on identifying the customer preferences for the taste, texture, and nutrition. Then we measure for the low sugar snack, measure market data, customer feedback, and health regulation to determine the necessary nutritional standard. In the analysis, different ingredient and manufacturing processes to find the best way to balance taste, texture, and health requirement in the low sugar snack. And then we design, create a prototype of low sugar snack, testing various formulations, packaging, and production technique to ensure it meet all the requirement. Then verify, run a pilot batch of the low sugar snack and collect feedback from the focuses group to ensure it meets taste, nutrition, and packaging standard. When after verification, after DMAC, we will discuss second method, DMADV. What is meant by DMADV? Is define, measure, analysis, design, and verify. Introduction of DMADV and the Six Sigma. The Six Sigma method aims to improve the process performance by reducing variation and defects. The DMADV process, a Six Sigma methodology used to design or redesign new process or product, ensuring they meet customer expectations from the outset. What is the phases of DMADV? The first is define, then measure, analyze, design, and verify. What is the purpose of it? While DMAIC is used for improving existing processes. DMADV focuses on creating new product or processes with high quality from the beginning. What is the difference between DMAC and DMADV? The first is in the DMAC we improve the existing product. In the DMADV focuses on the creating a new product with high quality from the beginning. It is used for the designing a new product or process that hasn't existed before, redesigning an existing process that can't meet the customer need even after improvement attempts, ensuring that a product or service meets Six Sigma quality standard right from the start. Different phases are of this method are define, measure, analysis, design, and verify. What about this is first we learn about define, identify the project goal and customer requirement. Then measure, determine the customer need and specification for the product process. Then analysis, analyze design alternative and select the best solution. Then design, develop the detailed design of the product or project. Verify, the test and verify the design work as intended, meet all the requirements. One example of DMADV used in the food industry. In the food industry project, you might be tasked with designing a new low sugar snack. The define phase would focus on identifying the customer preferences for the taste, texture, and nutrition. Then we measure for the low sugar snack, measure market data, customer feedback, and health regulation to determine the necessary nutritional standard. In the analysis, different ingredient and manufacturing processes to find the best way to balance taste, texture, and health requirement in the low sugar snack. And then we design, create a prototype of low sugar snack, testing various formulations, packaging, and production technique to ensure it meet all the requirement. Then verify, run a pilot batch of the low sugar snack and collect feedback from the focuses group to ensure it meets taste, nutrition, and packaging standard. When after verification, objective of Six Sigma in the food industry. There are five objectives of the Six Sigma. First is improve customer satisfaction, reduce wastage, improve quality, reduce defects, overall business improvement. Then first of all, we learn about improve product quality. Ensures that product meet highest quality standard, reduce defects like contamination, improper packaging, and spoilage. Then reduce process variation, minimize inconsistency in production process such as cooking time, ingredient quality, or storage condition. Control variability to ensure uniform product quality. Enhance food safety, implement processes that reduce risk of contamination, spoilage, or foodborne illnesses. Are there to strengthen food safety regulations like HACCP and ISO standards are used. For example, a Six Sigma project might focus on improving cleanliness protocols in food processing facility to reduce contamination risk. Reduce the waste and cost. Identify and eliminate waste in the production such as overproduction, spoilage and ineffective use of resources. Reduce energy consumption, water uses and raw material wastage. Example, a company could use Six Sigma to streamline packaging processes, reducing material waste and packaging defect. And then second objective is increase efficiency, streamline production processes to reduce downtime, speed up the production cycle and improve workflow. Example of this is Six Sigma can apply to optimize the supply chain, ensuring timely delivery of raw material and reducing delay in production. Then next objective of Six Sigma is enhance customer satisfaction. By improving product quality and consistency, Six Sigma helps to meet or exceed customer expectations, address customer complaints, and quickly through data-driven analysis to improve the product. For example, if customer report inconsistent test in the product, Six Sigma tool can analyze the issue and develop solution to improve the consistency. After objective, we will learn about the principle of Six Sigma. There are five principles of Six Sigma: consistent and practical approach for profitable result, strong inter-team collaboration, eliminate variation to improve process, data accuracy to find the root cause of the problem. Then focus on positive customer experience. The Six Sigma principles are important for team up of the industry, and the collection of data is important. The consumer demand, how consumer is attracted towards the food. These all are the principles of Six Sigma. We learn one by one principle. Focus on the customer. The primary goal of Six Sigma is to meet or exceed customer expectation in the food industry. This means understanding customer needs like taste, packaging, safety, and nutrition. For example, a food company might use customer feedback to improve the texture of its ready to eat meal by optimizing the cooking process. Then the second principle is identify the understand processes. Process mapping. Use tool like flowchart to map each step in the food production process. Then key focus. Understanding how each step affect the final product quality from sourcing raw material to packaging and distribution. For example, mapping the stages of beverage production line from ingredient mixing to bottling ensure that each process meet the desired standard. Then, principle third, reduce variation and eliminate defect. Objective of that principle is consistency is a key in food production, whether isn't the taste, texture, or packaging. Reducing variation by minimizing fluctuation in production parameter, example temperature, humidity. Six Sigma ensure consistent product quality. Example of that, a food manufacturer can apply Six Sigma to maintain consistent baking temperature, reducing number of cooking or overcooked product. Then continuous improvement. DMAC framework, Six Sigma relies on continuous improvement through DMAC cycle: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Objective: keep refining process to prevent issues before they occur. Example of the continuous improvement is a dairy company could use Six Sigma to continuously monitor and improve pasteurization process to ensure both product and safety and quality of the product. Then the principle is engage, empower employee. Employee involvement. Six Sigma encourage the involvement of employee at all level, training, equipment staff with tools and skill to solve problems and improve processes. Example, training quality control staff in Six Sigma techniques to identify defect early in the production line and take corrective action. After principles, we learn about the seven quality control tools used in the food industry. What are the quality control tools? Tool used to monitor and control food production process to ensure consistent quality and safety. Why the importance of this tool in food industry? Because helps to prevent defect, ensure product consistency and meet regulatory standard, ensuring customer satisfaction and compliance with the food safety laws. These are the different seven tools. The first is check sheet, second is fishbone diagram, third is histogram, fourth is Pareto chart, fifth is control chart, seventh is scatter diagram, and seventh is flow chart. These different tools are used for the improve continuous improvement in the food processing. Cause and effect diagram is the fishbone diagram. Purpose of this purpose of fishbone diagram is identify potential cause of the problem or defect. How it works: organize the possible causes into category. For example, material, machinery, method, manpower. Application of fishbone diagram in the food industry used to identify the root cause of product spoilage or contamination in the food production process. Then we learn about the flow chart. Flowchart purpose is visual representation of the step in the processing. How flowchart works: map out the entire production process, making it easier to identify bottleneck or inefficiencies. Application of the flowchart in the food industry to mapping out the steps in the packaging line to identify where defects such as improper sealing are occurring. Then we learn about the third tool, check sheet. Purpose of check sheet is collect and analyze data in the real time. How it works: used to record occurrence of specific events such as defects over a period. Application of check sheet in the food industry used to track defective products such as improperly sealed packages or broken containers during a shift. Then we learn about the control chart. Purpose of the control chart is monitor process variations over a time. How it works: track specific purposes, track specific processes parameters such as temperature or weight to ensure they stay with predefined limit. Application of the control chart in the food industry used to monitor cooking temperature during production to ensure they stay within the required range for food safety. Then histogram. It used for the its purpose of histogram is show frequency distribution of data. How the histogram work in the food processing: display data in bar chart to understand the spread and pattern of variation in the process. The application of histogram in food industry: a histogram can be used to show the distribution of product weight to ensure they meet packaging requirements. Then Pareto chart. Purpose of Pareto chart is identify the most significant factor contributing a problem. How it work: a bar chart showing the frequency of issue, helping focus on the most critical problem. Then the application of Pareto chart in food industry used to identify the most common causes of defects such as labeling errors or contamination, allowing the team to focus on fixing the most impactful issues. Then the scatter diagram is used for the show the relationship between the two variables. The scatter diagram work plot data points on a graph to see if changes in one factor affect another. The application of scatter diagram in food industry: used to study the relationship between cooking time and moisture content in baked foods and the texture quality. Uh, these 7 tools are important in use in food industry for the product quality, ensures process consistency and reduce defect, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction and regulatory compliance. Roles and responsibilities of the employee and the team present in the Six Sigma. The expertise with a Six Sigma framework is represented by a different color belt. This structure is commonly used in industries including food to manage quality improvement project. Here are top management, champion sponsors, process owner, master black belt holder, green belt holder, and yellow belt. The top management roles are ultimate decision maker and leader in the Six Sigma initiative. Responsibility of top management is set the vision, strategy, and goal for Six Sigma project. Ensure alignment with overall business objective, and provide necessary resources. Then, second is champion or sponsor. The role of champion is typically senior management who sponsor and support the Six Sigma project. Responsibility of champion is to provide resources and support to team, help overcome organizational barriers, and ensure product projects are aligned with business goal. Third is process owner. Role of process owner is manager or leader who oversee the process being improved. Responsibilities of process owner is ensure the process continues to run effectively after improvements are implemented. They are accountable for process result. Then after a process owner, fourth is master black belt. The role of master black belt holder is Six Sigma expert and program oversee. Responsibility of master black belt holder is train and mentor black belt and green belt, oversee the strategies implementation of Six Sigma across the organization. Then fifth is black belt holder. Role project leader for specific Six Sigma project. Responsibility of black belt holder lead problem solving project, train team member in Six Sigma methodology. Then they typically manage multiple projects simultaneously. Then green belt holder. Role of green belt holder employee who implement Six Sigma technique under the guidance of black belt. Responsibility of green belt holder are assist with data collection and analysis for improvement project. Often these are part-time role in addition to their regular job duties. Then seventh is yellow belt holder. Role of yellow belt holder employee who are trained on the basics of Six Sigma. The responsibility of yellow belt holder are employee who are trained on the examples of Six Sigma. First example is Nestle. Background of this Nestle Industries, a global leader in nutrition, health, and wellness product, has implemented Six Sigma to enhance operational efficiency and product quality. How they implemented Six Sigma in industry to process improvement, quality enhancement, and customer reduction, and how they work is, first of all we see process improvement. First of all, they focus on reducing machine downtime and optimizing production line. And then quality enhancement used DMAC to decrease variability in product, leading to fewer customer complaints and higher satisfaction. Then cost reduction. Six Sigma project lead to significant saving by reducing overproduction and minimizing waste of raw material. Success of this is improved the consistency of coffee creamer production, leading to reducing product rejection by 30%. After that, we see the example of Coca-Cola industry. Coca-Cola is one of the largest beverages company globally. Coca-Cola uses Six Sigma to maintain quality across its massive global supply chain. How they work? First of all, they work on supply chain optimization, implement Six Sigma methodology to streamline operation and improve logistic efficiency. Then customer delivery, improve delivery time by analyzing and optimizing routine schedule, which also reduce fuel consumption and operational cost. Then where they focus on product quality, standardize quality check and use Six Sigma tool to maintain the consistency of product across different market. How they achieve the success? They achieve success 20% reduction in delivery time and significant decrease in carbon footprint by optimizing distribution network. Then the next example of industry is Amul. Amul is largest dairy brand, uses Six Sigma to ensure the product quality and improve dairy supply chain efficiency. How they use Six Sigma? They use for milk collection process, product safety, and efficiency gain. Milk collection process. In milk collection process, streamline the milk collection process from local farmers, reducing spillage and improving milk quality through better storage solution. Then they focus on product safety, enhance product safety measures in cheese and butter manufacturing process, significantly reducing contamination risk. Then efficiency gain. Six Sigma help reduce processing time and increase the shelf life of product by optimizing pasteurization and packaging process. And the success of Amul is increase milk processing capacity by 15% without compromising on quality and optimizing the pasteurization process and enhancing logistic from collection to process. Overall of this industry, these Nestle, Coca-Cola and Amul, these are used for the reduction of time during the processing to enhance the product quality and to saving of the cost of product. Uh, Thank you. After example, we see the goals of Six Sigma industry. The first is improve performance service and the second one is reduce cost. The goal of Six Sigma is primarily to improve the process quality by identifying and eliminating defects and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business process. Utilizing a set of quality management methods, including statistical tools, and create a specific infrastructure of people within the organization who are experts in these methods. Each Six Sigma project carried out within an organization follow a defined sequence of steps and has quantified financial targets, cost reduction or profit increase. The main goals are improve the performance service. In improving performance service, the reduction of defect stabilizes the process and customer satisfaction is occur, and the reduction cost. In reduction cost, improve the efficiency of product and eliminate waste, and reduction cost is less. These are the goals of Six Sigma method. This is the conclusion of Six Sigma methods used in the food industry. In the conclusion, we know about the which steps are required for the Six Sigma methodology is TQM, means total quality management, then customer focus, then data analysis tool, financial management, and project management. These five things are important in the Six Sigma methodology, and then we get we use these five steps, and require the we get the Six Sigma method, proper method for reduction of cost, reduction of waste, improve the quality of products, etc. Conclusion. Six Sigma has proven to be a powerful tool in the food industry, offering significant benefit in terms of quality improvement, cost reduction, and operational efficiency. By focusing on data-driven decision making and systematic problem solving, Six Sigma helps food companies minimize defects, optimize process, and ensure consistent product quality. Thank you.